beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel, to my existing and to my new subscribers. Welcome back to Bags and Designs by Khembuzz. Today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make this cute pleated drum bag. And also guys, please don't forget to subscribe for more videos, and you know what, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube membership for exclusive content. Thank you so much guys, love you all. So the first thing I'm going to start with is the pattern, which the pattern is 11 by the width and the length is 8 inches. So guys, when I was making this bag, I didn't know I was going to make a video. So the video is just like, so this is not a, what is it called now, this is actually not a beginner friendly. So this video is meant for people that already know how to make bag. So this particular pattern I'm showing you right now, you are going to use it to cut 2 lining. Okay, let's say 4. So you're going to cut 2 for the main lining and 2 for the other lining. I'm going to be explaining that to you later. This is the handle. The handle at the center is 0.75. I had already sketched everything, done everything. I never knew I was going to do a video for you, so I just thought, oh, let me just show you guys a little about the bag just to have an idea so you can make yours. So sorry, the video might not be all that as detailed as you need it to be, but of course, if you know how to make bag, you'll be able to do it better. You'll be able to do it with this video. So that is the length, and also I'm going to be piping this bag. So this is the pattern for the pipe. So that's 11.5 by 0.75 for the piping aspect of this gorgeous bag. So the bag doesn't have any accessories than your zipper, your closer sheet zipper. So that's the only accessory you need for the bag. So you need your pipe, your okay, so this is the side panel. So you need your pipe, you need your well, what do you need again, and your closure zipper. You don't really need much. So for this bag, I actually use pure leather for the exterior, and for the lining I use a leather. I don't know the name of the leather, but it's not 100% pure leather, and it is not 100% synthetic leather, so it's just like in between. So for this pleating, what I did was I use elastic. This is a thick, don't use a soft elastic, use a thick elastic. And after using the elastic, then I also stitch the side, and I try to draw the thread. What is it called now? Okay, I'm not sure, I can't remember. So I stitch the side and I drew the thread, and also for it to look nice, I stitch it with a lining. You can see the lining. I stitch it first with the lining because I don't want it to start stretching. Okay, so that is the essence of that lining. So the main lining is the leather, which the leather that is dropping, that is the main lining. So I'm just going to stitch this using 1/2. So I've already stitched my my zipper closure to the bag. So the next thing for me now is to turn it inside out. After turning it inside out, I'm going to top stitch. I am going to top stitch. If you have any question, you can ask questions regarding this bag if you have any questions. So I'm going to top stitch the gorgeous bag with my cylinder bed machine. So like I said, this bag is a very simple bag and very easy to make. All you just need is your exterior fabric. You need the lining that you can use in order for the elastic not to stretch too much. So by the time you finish making this bag, by the time you use your elastic and all that, it has to be 5.2 or 5.7 inches. So now I'm going to turn it inside out because I'm through stitching the bottom part, and also I'm through stitching the the lining. You know, I've stitched the bottom of the lining. You can see it right there. So the next step for this bag now is just to stitch the side panel. So for me to stitch the side panel, I'm going to interface the side, the gusset of my bag, which is the side panel. I'm going to interface it with leather padding. So that is what I use, and this is the pipe that I'm going to use in piping the gorgeous bag. So I've already piped it, but like I said, you first of all interface it with leather padding, just like you're seeing it. Then you pipe the mount. After piping it, then you stitch the handle to it, step by step like that. And after stitching the handle, the strap, then you're going to clip it just like you're seeing it right now. And of course, you're going to use your cylinder bed machine to stitch. Of course, you can also use your manual machine to stitch. The main reason I'm using my cylinder bed machine to stitch this part is because I'm working with pure leather, and you know, pure leather can be so dramatic sometimes. So you can use your synthetic leather. Synthetic leather would even give it, you know, this, to give it that gorgeous look and that soft. Okay, whatever. Don't mind me. So I'm almost through with this bag. After stitching it, the next thing I'm going to do is to take my leather lining. I'm going to glue it, and after gluing it, I'm going to stitch as well. Then after this, I'm going to still use my leather lining to close the raw edges. I'm going to close it with my leather lining. So guys, like I said, if you have any questions, please kindly ask questions if you have any question. And I'm going to be dropping a video soon. It's gonna be awesome, it's gonna be mind-blowing. And also, please make sure you subscribe to my YouTube membership, because that is where I drop most of my detailed videos. So you need to go and subscribe to my YouTube membership. So if you have any question, like I said, please make sure you ask question. This bag is a gorgeous bag, and you can take this bag to a party, whatever place. It is very cute, I can assure you of that. So this part now is where we have the zipper. Okay, the leather that is on the zipper. So this is the, so the measurement is, you can use 0.5 and you can use 0.6. and you know, after I cut out the leather, I glue it with a light fabric, and now I'm just going to glue it again on this leather. You can see what I'm saying. The leather, you have to glue a fabric on the leather, then you can glue it straight again on, just to give it that, just to make it look nice, so that it doesn't, I don't know how to put it, but it will give it that beauty, I guess. Okay, whatever. So okay, so the next thing is for me to trim it out. You can see it right here. I'm going to trim it out, and after trimming it out, I'm going to file it just to make sure that everything is equal, everything is nice. And I'm going to edge coat all the edges before I now tie it to the zipper pull. So guys, if you have any question, what I'm going to do is, maybe I'm going to do this zipper aspect again later, just for people to know how to, because I know a lot of people might find it difficult to, the way I actually folded it, people might have difficulty in doing that. So I'm going to do a separate video, which I'm going to be showing you how you can install your zipper pull exterior to your zipper pull. I don't know how to put it, so I hope you guys understand what I'm saying. So guys, this is the bag. The bag is gorgeous, beautiful, nice, super cute. Bye.